Hi folks, our topic today is using probability tables. So here's an example. We've got a spinner there which will spin round and land on either red, green, yellow or purple. And it's telling us it's a biased spinner, so the probability of landing on each of the colours are not equal. If they were equal, the probabilities would be a quarter each. So the table there shows us the probabilities, doesn't have the green in yet. And there are only 4 outcomes, so these probabilities must add up to 1. Therefore, the probability of green can be found from subtracting the other 3 probabilities from 1. And when we carry out that subtraction, we find that the probability of landing on green is 0.35. The 4 outcomes are mutually exclusive. That means they can't both occur on the same spin. So if we spin the spinner, we'll either get a red or a yellow or a purple or a green. We can't get a red and a yellow, say, at the same time. That's what mutually exclusive means. If one outcome occurs, it excludes the possibility of any of the other outcomes occurring. So the probability of red or yellow can be found by just adding the probability. So the probability of red here is 0.25. The probability of yellow is 0.2. So we simply add the probabilities, and the reason we can add them is because the outcomes are mutually exclusive. And therefore, that gives us a probability of 0.45. Expected frequency is the number of times something happens. The expected frequency is finding out how many times we expect each of the colours to occur when we spin the spinner a number of times. Now in this case, we're spinning the spinner 300 times. And if we spun it 300 times, how many of each colour might we expect? Well, to find that out, there's a little formula that the expected frequency is the number of spins multiplied by the probability of landing on any one of the colours. So, if we wanted to find the expected number of times that the spinner lands on purple, if we spin the spinner 300 times, well, the probability in one spin of landing on purple is 0.2. So in 300 spins, we multiply 300, the number of spins, by 0.2, the probability, and that gives us an expected number of expected number of times that it lands on purple 60 times.